LLCs for Bitcoin. Does it make sense? Should you in some way use an LLC if you're a holder of Bitcoin or any other digital assets? The answer is yes. I recommend holding any valuable assets inside a Wyoming LLC. Here's why. Charging order protection. What does charging order protection mean? Charging order protection means that judgment creditor of yours cannot break into your LLC and take the assets in it. The best they can do is sit on the outside and wait for a distribution to be made. But the LLC is not obligated to actually make a distribution to the members. And so that judgment creditor can be sitting there for a long time. During the period that they hold a charging order against the company, if there's profits in the company that are undistributed, that charging order holder is responsible for paying the taxes on those non-distributed profits. That can put that charging order holder in a really difficult position in that they can go negative basically on their claim against you or against your LLC. So charging order protection is incredibly valuable. And whether you hold investment accounts in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or you hold real estate, you should hold those things with a Wyoming LLC at the top of your structure. And so a lot of folks hold their digital assets on hardware wallets. They know where it is, they hold the keys, they know that they are the owners of it and they're in complete control of it. They say, how can I get that into my LLC? Well, if you have your digital assets on an exchange, you would need to have an account in the name of your LLC. That just makes sense, right? If there's digital assets inside that account with Coinbase and the Coinbase account is in the name of the LLC, then it's clear that asset is owned by the LLC. But if it's a hardware wallet, there's nothing attached to it. There's no document saying who is the owner of that particular hardware wallet sitting in your desk or sitting in your safe. So we developed something called an assignment of digital assets, and it's drafted under Wyoming law. And what you can do is easily assign that wallet to your LLC. And so you have the hardware wallet address, the public address, complete the documents. We assist you with completing the documents through our client portal. We give you a set of documents, you sign and notarize them. As of that day, those assets are no longer yours as an individual. They're the LLC's assets. And so if someone comes after you, someone sues you, say you get in a car accident, and they get a judgment against you and they ask for you to say what assets you hold, you won't have to tell them about your hardware wallet, because you know what? You don't own it. Your LLC does. You would disclose, I've got a Wyoming LLC, okay? And you're going to disclose to them the existence of the Wyoming LLC. You're not going to hide that. You're going to tell them, I own a Wyoming LLC. And even if they were to say something like, we know he has digital assets. We know he's got Bitcoin. He's got 10 coins. This guy's worth, $500,000. Let's go after his digital assets. What you would do is produce that document and say, as of this day, I was no longer the owner, my Wyoming LLC was. That is incredibly powerful. There are other benefits and features of Wyoming law when it comes to digital assets, but that's one of the simplest ones and one that I think has the greatest applicability to anyone who is holding a digital asset, or really any valuable asset. Put those valuable assets inside of a Wyoming LLC and get charging order protection for them.